Okay, in this problem it says determine the area bounded by this curve, and I've sketched the curve there on Desmos, and it says be bounded by that and the x-axis. So I've got this area here and this area here, and I can see pretty clearly that it goes through -1 and 0 and 2 there. And so I need to set up two integrals because this one's going to be positive area and this one's going to be negative. So I need to say, okay, the first integral goes from -1 to 0 of this function, x cubed minus x squared minus 2x. And then that's going to be negative, so I might just go minus, instead of adding that area on, I'll subtract it, so it's minus a minus, if you get my point, from 0 to 2 of x cubed minus x squared minus 2x. I should have had dx in here, girl, sorry, dx. Alright, so let's just do that. So I have x to the 4th over 4 minus x cubed over 3 minus x squared over 2, so that's just x squared, and that goes from -1 to 0. I'll just get rid of that. And then I'm going to subtract off that same integral, put these here, x to the 4th over 4 minus x cubed over 3 minus x squared from 0 to 2. Now, could I have said plus that area and made this absolute value? Absolutely. Could have done that. No problems at all. Could have done absolute value of that. No worries. All right. When I did that, and I guess the working you would need to show is 0 minus, and maybe just some subbing in. When you raise -1 to the 4th, you get a +1, and likewise -1 to the 3rd, a -1. So I would show my values minus 0. And that ends up in the end being 37 over 12. Or I suppose you could write 3.083 with a dash over it, and that's what the area is under that curve. I think that's not too hard. Okay,